All right. Happy Monday, everyone. What is going on? Hope we had a good trading day. Had a couple from the watch list fire off early in the morning. A little simultaneous break with KO and Pepsi. So here's what I was holding over the weekend. Got in here in GLW off this 2-2 daily. Got that gap up, which was super nice to see. Had the 227 calls, so trimmed those out. And I also took the 3.6s late in the day on Friday. So holding some of those still. Got into Coke today off that. We're talking about inside week up break. Same with Pepsi, right? 2-2 week again, simultaneous. These two break together. So this one broke first, eyes on it. As soon as you see this one break, you got to get your eyes on both of them. This one breaks, they both move in tandem. Actionable weeklies in force for both Coke and Pepsi. Going to be on the watch list the rest of the week. Still long these. I want to say I'm in the 320 calls for Pepsi. I think the 321.70s. And I think I took the 3.6 calls, 80 calls for Coke here. So give those both a little bit of time to work. But again, they come back and buy more tomorrow. That's Monday, Tuesday. That is Strat Attack. That means they should be good all week. Also got into McDonald's today. So again, we talked about this one yesterday, trying to expand out of this broadening formation here. You take the inside week to the upside off this gap up 2-2 daily. Didn't get in right away. I think I got in... I was watching it here, and then I got in somewhere up in here. So still in the green. Again, I took the 320, the March 20th, 340 calls there. They're trading about $3 when I got them. I think they closed at like 3.5 or so. Just a couple contracts there that want to see how this one goes, because again, you have this tight consolidation pocket, which means if it's going to move out of here, I want it to move out, and I want it to move aggressively very quick. That's the open positions. Again, going into today's watch list, all from Swing the Strat, the same scan I've been running. A couple from yesterday's watch list as well. Again, ECL takes the inside week up, not super forceful. Again, I'm going to draw out something like this here. I would like to see it come out of this pocket here and be able to expand out of this range up in there. Next up, IFF, 1, 2, 2 potential daily with all of these pivots right here. Still inside week, but looking for this mini PMG on the daily to take that week 2 up continuation here, and plenty of pivots left to go on the monthly. GE had this one on the watch list, I believe Thursday, was looking for that 3-2 up expansion, ends up gapping up, so did not take entry, but now you get an inside day here, so looking for that inside day break to the upside, or the 1-2 down, flip the day back green, look for an entry to get long there tomorrow. VRT, this one again from the watch list, inside day. Again, you got the inside week, big move after earnings. So we're going to keep this one tight on the watch list. I'm waiting for potential explosion to see if it comes with this inside week break to the upside. TPR, another one from the weekend watch list. Again, you get the 3-2 down daily. So again, looking for the 3-2-2 on the daily. After triangling these guys out down in here, I mean, I guess you can, whatever. That's fine. You see the bottom of that there. Looking for it to get up into this area here and then continue on higher. ZBH, 3-1 on the daily, 2-1-2 reversal month in force. Looking to get up into these pivots here, and I'm just going to go ahead and take a stab and say this is probably 2 down green on the yearly. Yes, it is. All right, 2 down and green on the yearly as well. Amgen, keeping this one. Again, spreads weren't great, but there were multiple healthcares that I wanted to bring to your attention. So ZBH actually is a healthcare. Then you've also got Amgen off this double inside week. Take the double inside week break. Tried to break it up today. Fell back down a little bit. But again, going to keep that one on the watch list along with BIIB. Double inside week takes this week down, flips it back green with the 3 on the daily. So looking for this 3-2 up expansion day to get this 1-3 week and get out up into this range here. Next up, we got J&J. So again, 2 up on the week, 2 up in a red on the weekly, but they open it here. Inside day, so looking for the 2-1-2 actionable daily up to continue moving this into all-time highs. NBIS, look at this one, 2 down green month. Mini shooter on the week, they come in and buy it up today. So now you've got the 3-2 potential daily with about $7. Let's see how much room we got left to go on the monthly. About $10 left to go if it's going to set up if it's going to get outside month. But either way, you're looking for it to set up some kind of 2-2 reversal into next month. That also brings me to CoreWeave, which we've been looking at here and there. Earnings, APLD. Nope. Nope. So just going to keep ours on NBIS going into tomorrow. TER, here's another one. It's getting real tight. Again, makes a nice move up here. Get this move in here, up. Now you're just stuck here. Tight week, inside again. Now you've got the 2-2. Again, looking for this 2-2 daily to come and break us out of this pocket here. Options were kind of piss poor. Have to take a look at the 320s because I don't think they had weeklies. So we're going to have to take a look at those, maybe 320s, but those are probably going to be pretty expensive. Q, another inside week, but now you've got the 2-2 potential daily looking for the turnaround. Never mind. Earnings. Nope. Scratch it. AXTI. This one could be real nice into tomorrow. So again, you have the 3 retest this range here. So comes back and retest that last month's high. Now you have the inside day off of that, looking for the inside day break to the upside for that 3-2 up expansion week. As long as it holds above here, we're looking for entries. Anything above here, we are looking for entries long into that one. Look at this thing. Wow. All right, that is all I've got for you guys today. SPY and QQQ were down pretty bad today. Not a great start to the week, but we will see what the rest of the week wants to give us, and we will go from there. All right, have a good night. We'll talk tomorrow.